Hello, Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about world's most popular log management platform. There are number of devices, number of services we are using in our organization. Okay, or for example, we are having a website of our company and it is e-commerce type of website. So we want to keep record of how many users are visiting, what are the peak hours of their visiting time, or what they are purchasing, what the things prompting them, or where we need to perform better. Okay, so we need the data of all these things which can help our organization to improve their business. So we need lot of information from different sources, okay, from different angle, from different point of view, so that we can understand it in a meaningful way. So here is a platform which is actually collectively used for the 3 open source project, okay, and it is one of the world's most popular log management platform, you can say, or it is also security information and event management. Clear? So these 3 projects are Elasticsearch, Logstash and Kibana, and collectively it just also called ELK. Okay, so there is that's a stack of these 3 open source project, and those collectively work together and perform the complementary job to the other project, which will help to understand the organization, their business, their statistics. Okay, so it is just not only a log management platform. It can perform lot many tasks like logging metrics, whatever the AMP, what is the app search, site search, or enterprise search, and business analytics, or the security analytics, and many more. Okay, so in this lower stack, we can say here are the bits and the Logstash, where the different type of logs come from, for example, it is just collecting the data and sending here to the Logstash, which will arranging it in a meaningful way, and then it is just send that information to the Elasticsearch. Okay. Elasticsearch will store those information, will organize, will arrange and analyze those information, and Kibana, when it will ask in the pictorial presentation in a meaningful way, which is easily understandable for the human, then with the help of the Kibana it just present. Okay, let's just dig more deeper into it. So here are if you can see here, there are the different services or the different products which are generating logs, okay, or the even in the on the website the different components which are generating the logs, and those logs collected and sent to the Logstash. Okay, when those logs collected by the Logstash is just arrange those logs and just manage and transform them into JSON format and send to the Elasticsearch, okay, which is here, and in its database it just manage all those logs and arrange those, analyze those logs, and present in a way when the Kibana will ask to in a certain ways, or in the certain format they want to see it, whether that's in a graphical format or in the tablet format, or in the other way when it's just asking. It's depend upon the organizations which are having the kind of log and when they are asking. Clear? So here just this is the presentation of the Kibana output. Even you can see here, let me just zoom it. You can see here the data transferred bytes, okay, and just collecting at the 12 p.m. data of from 21st of the month's 21st date, and it is on the Saturday, and then next 23rd June. So it is just finding out at particular date what was the data transfer bytes status. Okay, and here is you can see there are the different file types. So you can see here there are at this time maximum bytes were transferred. Okay, and this is the presentation of like how many bytes transferred as per the file type. Okay, so you can see here 596 unique widget at that time. Okay, and for the file type GZ, okay, that's the unique visitors was 283. Okay, and if just we go here again, it's the heat map. You can see at between the 9 to 1 p.m. that was the maximum traffic was coming from you can say from the China or from the India. Okay, so maximum of the traffic will at that time period was at their peak, we can say. Okay, and this is the chart of the snacky type of the chart, which is just showing from the which source through which destination. So we can say here the data whatever can help our organization to understand the business or to understand what where we need to evolve, what the areas we need to improve, that data can help us, and this ELK really can help the organization. Here, so another question comes: what are the opportunities for you? Where the opportunity lies for you? Nowadays, transformation is just happening with a very rapid pace. Organizations are coming on the digitalization. Okay, so they are presenting themselves in the on the website. They are developing. They are presenting their data as or they are having different type of services. Clear? So they need to analyze what type of traffic is passing through, even in even for the security products. So what type of the traffic is coming to this one. For the security analyst, they can also observe, yes, what type of traffic is coming at what time and what type of attacks are happening during the particular time periods. So who will be able to understand those type of software? Definitely they can get wonderful opportunity. You can be the next one. Think for a moment and then think where you can be and what type of skills you need to acquire those type of opportunities. Here I'll come up again with a new interesting and informative session. Follow me on the Cybersecurity Prism and get the notification for the next session. Share that session with your friends and group members so that they will be able to understand ELK and what are the different components of it. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss about can you stop access attack and what are the access attacks. Namaste. See you in the next session.